At noon, jury selection is underway in the murder trial against a former UC police officer. Not on your side, anchor Chris Riva leads our team coverage. He joins us live from outside the Hamilton County Courthouse. Chris?
Well, good afternoon, Julie. And what has happened at the start of this day is 195 prospective jurors, which is a rather large jury pool, began the questioning process from both the defense and the prosecution in this case against Ray Tensing. Now, they were answered a questionnaire earlier last week, was to the page of 25 different pages, to the tune of 25 different pages, to which they were asked about their thoughts on the police, Black Lives Matter, if they fear for their security as a result of this high-profile case, and of course, their thoughts on if they have seen the body camera video of Ray Tensing from that day 16 months ago. This is the scene at 9 o'clock this morning, just moments before the proceedings started inside the courthouse at the Hamilton County Courthouse. Black Lives Matter with a demonstration there, for the most part very peaceful. It was a very, at times, spirited from the standpoint of some chanting. There was a noticeable difference in security here today. Beefed up, if you will. You saw police and sheriff's deputies all throughout this area inside the building as well. We're joined by our colleague Allie Kramer now. And so, Allie, you were inside the courtroom. What was it like there today?
We were just for a little bit in the beginning, and we were seated on the left side, and I was sitting with other members of the media and about 5 family members, Ray Tensing's aunt and uncle, and then on the other side it appeared to be one family member from Sam DuBose's family. But then we were all asked to leave the courtroom. They needed to make room for such a large number of jurors for that selection process today. Now, right now you're seeing Tensing as he walked into court this morning. He carried a small brown cardboard box. He was met by his attorney, Stu Matthews. Questioning began with discussion about the facts. 2 potential jurors said that they haven't even read or seen anything about the case, and they very well might be the only 2 people to say that. The prosecution started questioning jurors, but about 10 minutes in, the defense objected to that line of questioning, saying that the prosecutor was already discussing evidence. The prosecution then tried to clear things up for jurors, outlining what the jury needs to understand about the charges and what they must prove.
Murder and it's voluntary manslaughter. Murder is purposely causing the death of another. I want to make that clear to you. We didn't charge him. The grand jury did not indict Ray Tensing for aggravated murder. So, a lot of the commentary I hear and the thing on that is that we can't show that he woke up that morning and decided he was going to kill Sam DuBose and planned it and carried out. We don't have to prove all that.
Now, our Tom McKee is still inside the courthouse, and he just sent us a message saying that the defense is still questioning the first 14 jurors to try to whittle it down. A very slow process, Chris, as we get started, but the prosecution and defense both agree that once they've got that jury sat, that everything should start to pick up very quickly.
Just spoke to the public defender's office. They said they still believe that they're going to be able to seat this jury within 2 days, and we will see opening arguments later this week. We appreciate it. We'll have comments from that and the legal analysis coming up. We're continuing